2026 Mazda 3 Sedan enhances the compact luxury segment with its impressive design, high-quality interior, and advanced technology. Drawing from Mazda's Soul of Motion philosophy, the latest generation presents a sportier and more sophisticated appearance, characterized by its sculpted body lines, elegant LED taillights, and an aerodynamic silhouette that resembles a grand tourer more than a conventional sedan. The 2026 Mazda 3 is equipped with two engine options. The base model features a 2.5-liter Skyactiv G inline-4 engine, delivering 191 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque, complemented by a seamless 8-speed automatic transmission. For enthusiasts, Mazda continues to offer the 2.5-liter turbocharged variant, which produces up to 250 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque when using premium fuel. Both versions are equipped with front-wheel drive, and iActive all-wheel drive is offered for enhanced traction and performance. The vehicle upholds its esteemed reputation for superior handling, attributed to Mazda's G-Vectoring Control Plus system, which improves steering response and corner stability. The interior of the 2026 Mazda 3 Sedan features a refined and minimalist design, exuding an air of sophistication. High-quality materials such as soft-touch leather, brushed aluminum, and innovative ambient lighting contribute to an exceptionally sophisticated environment. The 12.3-inch infotainment display now offers wireless compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while the optional Bose 12-speaker audio system provides an exceptional sound experience. The inclusion of ventilated front seats, dual-zone climate control, and an updated heads-up display significantly elevates the level of comfort. Regarding safety, Mazda consistently demonstrates excellence with the iActive Sense suite, which features adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and the recently introduced driver attention alert. The 2026 model introduces Mazda's AI-driven driving assistance, designed to adapt to driving habits for enhanced performance over time. The fuel efficiency is impressive, with the standard engine achieving a rating of 30 miles per gallon combined, while the turbo model averages approximately 27 miles per gallon. The starting price for the 2026 Mazda 3 Sedan is approximately $25,500 for the base trim, while the fully equipped Turbo Premium Plus model is priced at around $35,000. The 2026 Mazda 3 Sedan exemplifies sophistication in the compact car segment, delivering dynamic performance, luxury-level comfort, and an impressive design that competes with vehicles at a significantly higher price point.